future home, a self-sustaining smart home. This model shows how future homes can produce their own energy, save water, manage waste, and with the help of smart technology. These are solar panel lights. These solar panels absorb energy from sunlight during the day and store it. At night, this energy is used to turn on LED light. Countries like Germany, China, and India use solar technology on rooftops and street lamps to reduce electricity bill and pollution. These are piezoelectric tiles. When a person walks on this tile, the pressure creates electricity. That electricity is used to glow an LED light. Countries like Japan installed a piezoelectric tile on busy railway station and street light to generate electricity from people walking. These are hydroponic plants. These plants grow without soil, only water and nutrients. This method save space and gives fresh food. Countries Japan and Netherlands use this method. Artificial rain cloud, mini water cycle. Water evaporates from clouds and falls as a rain. It teaches how rainwater can be reused and recycled. Biogas production. Waste and kitchen and waste, organic waste are put in this chamber. Bacteria break down and produce biogas. The infrared balloon show production of gas. This gas is used to cooking gas and lighting gas.
Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting my project nuclear power plant. First, reactor. Uranium atoms split fission to create heat. Control rod keep it safe. This heat warms up water 320 degrees Celsius, but it doesn't boil because it's under high pressure. Second, turbine and generator. Thus, that heat turns a second circuit of water into steam. The steam rotates a turbine which drives the generator to produce electricity. Third, good morning everyone. Today third, cooling. The steam is cooled back into water by river water in a condenser. Any extra heat is released through a cooling towers as water vapor, and water is reused again. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am going to my maths working model based on fraction. This is a working model. This model helps us to understand the concept of fraction. It is a simple and reachable way. A fraction represents a part of a whole.
Start.
Good morning. My project name is solar energy. Sunlight falls on solar panel. It converts sunlight into electricity. When sunlight falls on solar panel, water pump is start and light is also start. सोलर एनर्जी के कई फ़ायदे हैं, जैसे इससे हमारे घर के बिजली के बिल कम आते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बचत होती है, इन्वायरमेंट अच्छा रहता है।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरा नाम फारिक है। मेरे मॉडल का नाम प्लांट एंड एनिमल है। पौधे भी जानदार होते हैं मगर ये हरकत नहीं कर सकते और अपनी खुराक खुद तलाश कर सकते हैं।
Good morning. My name is Rafan Tanvir Bhatkar. My school name is British High School Thakurwadi. I study in 6th class. My my bridge works in a hydraulic system. My bridge works in a hydraulic system. When I push one syringe to other syringe. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noman Hamsu Bhatkar. 5th क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ. This machine is used as drinking water and can be used without electricity power.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ifraz Imtiaz Bhatkar. My school name is EBT High School Thakurwadi. I study in 7th class. My model name is landforms. Landform means island, desert, mountain, forest, etc. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम आदिम ताजिम फनस्कर है. मैं 5वीं क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ. मेरे मॉडल का नाम किरनी फंक्शन है. हम जाता है और रॉक्सी बनकर रुक जाता है, फिर पेशाब की शक्ल में यूरिनरी से बाहर आता है.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. This is my project called Shape City. In this project, I have shown how different third shapes are used in our real life, especially in buildings and city planning. You can see that each buildings are made using a different geometric shapes. This is a cuboid. This is made by cuboid, which is used is commonly houses and apartments. The tall building is a triangular prism. This is used for offices and towers. This one is a cylinder. This is often used for water tanks and silos. Here we have square pyramid and triangular prism. This is used for modern architecture. Here in the center, I have made roads with the crossings. Shown the proper city planning. Through this model, I have explained this. Mathematics is not only books. It is everywhere in our daily life. Thank you.
स्टार्ट कर नाम बोल.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ashkan Mohsin Bhatkar. This is my day-night model. When Earth rotates in its axis, it faces to sun. Then it is a day. When it faces to moon, it will become night on the Earth. Speed it 24 one round in 20 hours. It works like this.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम मुजद्दिद रश्मिया पावस्कर है. मेरे मॉडल का नाम है कार्बन प्यूरीफायर. ये मॉडल का होता क्या है, आजकल फैक्ट्रियाँ वगैरह बहुत बन चुकी है, जिससे हम जो भी कोई भी चीज़ जलती है उसे हम हवा में ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं. इससे मुख्तलिफ जहरीली गैसेस वगैरह बाहर निकलती है, जैसे कि जहरीले एसिड्स वगैरह बाहर निकलते हैं, जैसे कि H2SO4, HCl, HF, H2CO3 ऐसे मुख्तलिफ एसिड्स बाहर निकलते हैं जहरीले, जिससे पॉल्यूशन बढ़ता है और आलूदगी भी ज़्यादा होती है. तो ये मॉडल क्या करता है, कोई भी चीज़ जलती है तो उसे कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर में लाता है. कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर करता क्या है, कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर जो भी तेज़ाबी आबी बुखारात होते हैं उसे एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है, जो कि जितने भी जहरीली गैसेस होती है वो उसे इधर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है और यहाँ से क्लीन एयर निकाल दी जाती है, जिससे क्या होता है अपना पॉल्यूशन भी कम होता है और आलूदगी भी कम होती है. थैंक यू.
morning. My name is Mohammad Bilal Rashid Tole. My project is based on concept of bridge safety. In this model, I have made a bridge with toll booth and cross barrier. The main idea of this model is to show that the bridge depends not only on strong construction but also on the traffic control. Proper traffic control. The toll booth represents real life checking of vehicles. Through the toll booth, the number of vehicles and through the toll booth, the number of vehicles and all the number of vehicles and load on the bridge can be controlled as too much weight does not come on bridge. And this helps reduce stress on bridge and prevents accident. This model teaches us that the rule monitoring and discipline are very important for bridge safety. In real life, similarly, safety systems are used to protect bridges and ensure the people and vehicles. Thank you. वर्किंग से ये जो रहता है बस डेमो के तौर पर बताया गया है कि बटन दबाते ही ये बैरियर गिर जाएगा. थैंक यू.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nava. Today I am presenting my project automatic street light. In this model, an IR sensor is used to detect the presence of object or people. The IR sensor emits infrared light. When a person or vehicle passes by, the IR light reflects light and the sensor detects it. This signal activates the circuit and the street light turns on. After the object moves away, the light automatically turns off. This system saves energy by only lighting up when needed and is based on the principle of reflection of infrared rays. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अजना हमसू खटकर है. मैं 9वीं जमात में पढ़ती हूँ. मेरे मॉडल का नाम अर्थ क्विक अलर्ट है. ये मॉडल अर्थ क्विक से बचने के लिए बनाया है. जब आज हमें कार्यक्रम हमें अलर्ट करना है.
वर्किंग दिखाओ ऑन चालू करो. Start.
My name is Sarah Thakur. My model name is Hydroelectric Tower Garden. The process is continuous light and designed to minimize space and water efficiency. Water circulation. A water pump at the bottom of the reservoir, it pushes nutrient water through a central desperation pipe. This distribution, as it reaches the top, it's passed through a nozzle located under. It is passed through a nozzle located under the top of the tower. Gravity feed. As the water drains down inside the tower, it is passed through a trickling roots of the plants. Then held in transporting ports. Oxidation. As the air falls back inside through the tower, it's highly oxygenated. It promotes highly growth and rapid root growth. Space deviation, ideal for urban environment and balconies, rather than used for growth for upward rather than downwards. And faster growth, it have both access to oxygen and nutrients.
Nutrients. Show nutrients.
This is nutrients.
Yes.
And this is the maths formula, 3D shapes formula. We have a space. We have written the total surface area and volume. This cone, total surface area and volume. Then decagon, area of decagon. Cube, total surface area of cube and volume of cube. Prisms, total surface area of prism, volume of prisms. Cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, volume of cuboid.
Action.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sally. This project is a math part. The main aim of this project is to make learning mathematics for practical and easy to understand. In the math part, we learn mathematical concepts, show using models, activities in real life. Example, instead of learning only from books, students can interact with the concept. This project helps students in logical thinking, problem the school explaining ideas. Overall, the maths part showed that mathematics is not difficult or boring, but interesting and useful in our daily life.
What is this? This is kite, na? झूला झूलाओ थोड़ा सा, झूलाओ ना. हाँ, स्टार्ट.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम दीबा है, मैं क्लास 9 में हूँ. ये मेरा हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट मॉडल है. जब पानी ऊपर स्टोर किया जाता है, जिस वजह से उसमें पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है, और पानी का फ्लो होने की वजह से उसमें काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी बन जाती है, और वहाँ पे टरबाइन घूमने की वजह से
दिस इज डैम ना.
और यहाँ पे लाइट जनरेट होती है.
लगाओ लाइट. What is your model name?
हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट डैम. Assalamualaikum, my name is Anna. The name of my model is energy efficiency. There are 6 topics in my model. First is a solar tracker, second is a wireless car charger, third is a solar rooftop, a smart dustbin, street lights and a wind turbine.
How it work solar? इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ.
It moves towards the sunlight. Wherever the sunlight goes more, it moves towards that side.
और एक बार देखो. वर्किंग अच्छा बनाया. नेक्स्ट. What is this?
A smart dustbin.
Okay. What is this? Wind turbine. Explain about wind turbine. Chal.
When the vehicle passes and the wind turbine
Again, what next?
Morning sir, my name is Sarkar. This project is geometrical city. A geometrical city is a planned city design using such as geometric shape, such as square, rectangle, circle, and straight line. In a geometrical city, such as road are usually straight and intersect at right angles. A geometrical city is a systematic development that provides comfortable and efficient lifestyle for people. Example, cities like Chandigarh and Jaipur areas follow geometrical planning.
Start.
Good morning, I am Artifa. I am 8th class. My model name is DIY Multicolor LED light. This project DIY Multicolor LED light typically used for festival decoration like Ramzan, Eid and Diwali, Hari's. LED technology and color synthesis. The heart of the project is 7-in-1 multicolor LED light COB chip on board. Functionality. A small on IC control is 7-in-1 functionality.
Next, maths.
Good This model is mean, median, mode. ये मॉडल दिखाता है कि डाटा सेट कैसे दिया जाता है. डाटा लाइन. Mean means average. Add all values from the means. Median means middle values. Third, more. More means identify the most effective. Range means big, small. Outlier means outpatch. Thank you.
मैं नवी जमात पढ़ता हूँ. मेरे मॉडल का नाम स्मोक एब्जॉर्बर मशीन है. धुआं जल्दी करने वाली मशीन एक ऐसी डिवाइस है जो फिलहाल धुआं नुकसानदार जरा को खींचकर साफ करती है. ये मशीन खासतौर पर किचन, फैक्ट्री या वेल्डिंग के दौरान इस्तेमाल की जाती है. इस मशीन में एक फैन या मोटर होती है जो फिलहाल धुआं को अंदर की तरफ खींचती है. धुआं फिल्टरों से गुजरती है, गंद और बदबू को साफ करती है. आखिर में मशीन से साफ हवा निकलती है. शुक्रिया.
तो कहाँ यूज़ करेंगे? कहाँ यूज़ करेंगे?
किचन, फैक्ट्री, वेल्डिंग के दौरान.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sikandar. I study in 8th class. My model name is algebraic identities. Algebraic identity is a formula that shows the relationship between the algebraic expression. They are true for values of variable.
वर्किंग दिखाओ. ये किसका?
तो आया नहीं.
When light enters through the cornea and pupil, the lens focus it on the retina. The retina forms the image and sends signal to the brain. The brain finally helps us understand what we see. Eye works just like a camera. It can change its shape of the lens. Eye defect like myopia and hypermetropia, it can be corrected using lens. Thank you. This is the working model of hydraulic bridge up and down. This bridge works on the principle of Pascal's law. According to the law, when pressure applied to a liquid is terminated equally in all directions. In this model, the bridge Thank you.
Next.
My name is Zara Qazi. Today I am going to explain Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the base plus square of the height. Formula C square is equal to A square plus B square. In this model, we can see right angle triangle made using real life objects. The building represents the height, the distance on the ground represents the base. The red slant line from the helicopter to the building represents the hypotenuse. The building of the ground meet at 90 degrees, so it forms a right angle triangle. The height of the building is equal to 33.02. The distance on the ground is equal to 44. So the straight line distance from the helicopter to the
Show me how work it.
It forms a right angle triangle.
How it measure?
It forms a right angle triangle and it became 90 degrees. Right angle triangle is 90 degrees.
Okay.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanas. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting my project Water Management. In this model we show how water can be collected, stored, recycled and reused. Water is collected from the rooftop and reused for gardening, car washing, farming and for animals. This system helps us save water.
What is this?
Sensor.
क्या काम करता है?
अगर टंकी फुल हुई ना तो वो सेंसर बचेगा और हमको अलर्ट करेगा
जिससे
कि
पानी वेस्ट
हाँ,
होगा नहीं,
इससे ज़्यादा पानी वेस्ट
नहीं होगा, ओवरफ्लो नहीं होगा.
My name is Karina. Today I am presenting my project Air Pollution Control. In this year, the polluted air is presented.
पोल्यूटेड एयर का वापस से बोलो.
In this air box, the polluted air goes in this tank.
जरा फैन बंद करो. दिखाओ उधर ही.
Goes in this tank. The polluted air purified from the special filtration system and goes through this black tank.
I'm from 7th standard. My project name is Smart Agriculture. As we all know, farmers face many problems such as storage of water, electricity, climate change, etc. So to solve these problems, I have designed the Smart Agriculture Science model. I have shown some several components just like street light, rainwater harvesting, farm security, scarecrow, greenhouse controller, seed production chamber, animal house. First, street light. Second, rainwater harvesting. And rainwater can be collected on this rooftop and stored in a tank. And that stored water can be used in farming.
ऑन करो सब, वर्किंग ऑन करो. जितने भी वर्किंग है ना सब ऑन करो, कुछ बंद नहीं रखने का.
This is farm security. Farm security and farm fencing secure the farm from thieves and wild animals. Just like this is scarecrow. Some traditional methods are still useful. This is greenhouse, a special house that keeps plants and vegetables safe. This is greenhouse controller. This maintains temperature, humidity in greenhouse. This is seed production chamber. And we also have some area for animal house. Animal house grow animals like cows and goats.
स्टार्ट.
Good morning. My maths unit name is Maths Garden. We show here 7 concepts. First, types of angle, types of graphs, number line, factored trees, 3D shapes, and Cartesian coordinate systems. First, types of angle. This is rectangle. An rectangle measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree.
थोड़ा आवाज़ ज़्यादा कर, जोर से बोलो.
Second, right angle. Right angle is exactly measures 90 degree. Third, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Fifth, straight angle. Straight angle is exactly 180 degree. Sixth, reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Complete angle. Complete angle is exactly 360 degrees. This is types of graphs. Line graphs. A line graph shows how something changes over time. Pictograph. Pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent data. Area graph. An area graph shows quantity over time and also emphasizes the quality. Bar graph. Pie graph. Histogram. 3D shapes. Number line. Factored trees. Cartesian coordinate system.
ये क्या है?
Factored trees. Factorial means a number.
फैक्टर्स, ओके। स्टार्ट।
Good morning, sir. My name is Sufyan Pavskar. This is a sustainable agriculture ploughing tool. This agricultural tool is combination of modern technology and traditional practices that into economic validity for farmers. This tool is very useful to small fields and gardens, and because it is light in weight, it is easy to use. This tool can handle by a single person. With the help of this tool, dig up and turn the soil upside down, and also loosening and crumbling the soil. Thank you. इससे हम मिट्टी को ढीला कर सकते हैं और मिट्टी को हल्का कर सकते हैं। और ये दूसरा टूल है जिससे हम मिट्टी को
در خدمتت افتاده بر روی زمین خواهم آن یار نکو من بگرفت گلوی من گفتا که چه میخواهی گفتم که همین خواهم من تاج نمیخواهم من تخت نمیخواهم در خدمتت افتاده بر روی زمین خواهم آن یار گرفت گلوی من گفتا که چه میخواهی گفتم که همین خواهم همین خواهم همین خواهم من تاج نمیخواهم من تخت نمیخواهم در خدمتت افتاده بر روی زمین خواهم آن یار نکو من بگرفت گلوی من گفتا که چه میخواهی گفتم که همین خواهم همین خواهم همین خواهم من تاج نمیخواهم من